In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refresh TradingView chart. If your chart looks off, you've panned too far, zoomed in too deep, or things just feel out of place, there are two quick ways to get everything back in order. I'll show you how to reset the view of the chart itself and how to fully refresh the page when you need a clean reload. First, let's talk about resetting the chart view. This is perfect when your price action has drifted out of sight or your zoom is awkward. Simply move your cursor over the chart area, right-click anywhere on the chart, and choose Reset Chart View. The moment you do that, TradingView snaps the view back to a clean, centered perspective. You'll notice the chart recenters around the most relevant price action and restores a sensible zoom level so you can see candles, indicators, and drawings in context again. This does not remove your indicators, drawings, or change your time frame. It's just a visual reset. Think of it as tidying the workspace you already have without touching your actual setup. If you've been scrolling through history or exploring multiple symbols and your view gets messy, this is the fastest way to get oriented again. Now, if the issue feels bigger, maybe your data isn't updating, the chart seems frozen, or something just isn't loading correctly, you can refresh the entire page. You have two straightforward options on your keyboard. Press F5 or use Ctrl+R. Both commands tell your browser to reload the TradingView page from scratch. After a full reload, the platform reconnects, fetches fresh data, and redraws your chart layout. This is especially helpful if the browser has been open for a long time, you've switched networks, or you suspect a temporary glitch. On some keyboards, especially laptops, you may need to use a function key modifier to trigger F5, but Ctrl+R works in the same way. Use Reset Chart View when you want to quickly fix how the chart looks. Use a full refresh with F5 or Ctrl+R when you want the entire page to reload and reconnect. Both tools are simple, fast, and safe to use during your workflow. With these two actions in your toolkit, you can recover from a cluttered view or a sluggish page in seconds and stay focused on your analysis. That's all you need to know to refresh your TradingView chart quickly and confidently. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.